Do you want to secure your browsing data and have it available across devices on X browser? In this video, I will show you how to enable autosync on the X browser app step by step, so your bookmarks, history, and settings stay safe and up to date automatically. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to X browser app. Then here in this page, not here, on home like this, you will go to this sign of 3 lines, so you will tap on 3 lines. After that, you will click on this window of profile, so you will tap on your profile. You will get this page, so you will scrolling down until you find this sign here of autosync to cloud, so you will click here to enable this feature as you see in that way. So if you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.